Today we are doing a special unboxing. So, the month of August is actually my birthday month, and the month of August is actually the month that Lauren has to go back to school. And Brandon just decided he just wanted these. I know you hear the background music. Look at the box. Look at the box. Pretty cool. So we have not seen these shoes at all. This is our first time seeing them face to face. So these are actually Lauren's. And these are by Vans. Vans Off the Wall. Pretty neat shoe, right? Look at that. And actually, if you take both shoes together and you look at the back of it, it says Lisa Simpson for president. So the next shoe we'll do. Oh, these are Brandon's. Brandon's got the more special edition of these shoes. Put it in the comments if you know who wears these shoes. If you're a big Simpson fan, you should know who wears blue shoes. Pretty cool, right? And then last but definitely not least, what do you guys think I got? I definitely got Simpson shoes as well. But who do you think I got? Oh, this is so cool. This is so cool. Look at the ladies. And this is actually very soft. You can actually feel it. Pretty neat. And oh yes, that's right, Marge's sisters, the Bouvier sisters, they didn't like to shave their legs. It's pretty neat, you guys. So this is pretty cool. Pretty neat. Brandon's working the camera, so we both gotta say thank you, Brandon.
Thank you.
So those were the shoes. That was the special unboxing that we wanted to do because it was pretty neat. Really excited that Brandon found these for us. Stay tuned as we will do more unboxings and of course give you guys more updates on what's going on with my health. Until next time, as we always say, what?
Subscribe, comment, and like this video.
And definitely you want to share and turn the notification bell on so you know when we do new videos. Love you, later!